Well done. So look for the signs and make your own decisions, because you have done this before.
Yeah.
I'm going into the coaching mode now, okay?
Okay.
So on that bench there was a big sign there with the blue and green. Have you saw that?
Blue and green. I didn't see a blue and green.
I think there was a sign there telling you the road is merging from your right.
Oh yeah.
Do you saw that?
Yeah, it's the.
So what you must have done that time, there were 2 arrows painted on the floor as well, telling
coming into one lane.
So what examiner would expect you to do that time?
I don't know, because I not in the continuous lane?
Okay, I'm going to explain to you in a minute when we parked up in a minute.
Okay.
Ewood roundabout.
Yeah.
As we cross the Ewood roundabout, there's a bend over there. There is a sign there telling you that you carry on in the left lane, but the road from the right is merging.
Yes.
Now, why you think is important, what did you miss over there? It will 100%, I'm sure, will be a serious fault in your exam. Now, as you are going straight, even though it's your road, but the cars from the right have got also have a right to merge in front of you. Yeah, or behind you. What examiner would expect from you? So any road when they're merging from 2 to 1, or 1 to 2, you need to do your mirrors check.
Okay.
So as you were going straight, so you have got 2 arrows like this painted on the floor, which I'm going to highlight on the video. What you should have done on the first arrow, check your mirrors. The second one, check your mirror. If nobody's merging, carry on.
Yeah.
Your head movements was required, otherwise it may cause a problem. Because why you think is important, we must do a head important. Why is that?
In case somebody comes over.
Yeah, so who's someone we're talking about?
Well, it could be anybody. It could be a cyclist, it could be a car.
Anyone, big car, anyone. And they do come quite fast. Now, if you miss them, and then if they come to you all of a sudden in front of you, you're not going to be anticipating to slam your brake or slowing down.
Yeah.
So this is why it's important. So we don't want to take any risk over there. Is that clear?
Yeah.